In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading with 4 effective methods. If you've been trying to access Marketplace on Facebook and find it just doesn't want to cooperate, don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let's dive into clearing your cache and cookies. If you're using a mobile device with the Facebook app, begin by opening up your phone's settings. From there, navigate to Apps and select Facebook. Then head into Storage, where you'll find the option to clear the cache. If this simple fix doesn't solve the problem, don't worry. Go a step further by selecting Clear Data, but keep in mind you will need to log back into your account afterward. Now, if you're on a browser using a PC or laptop, clearing cache and cookies is slightly different yet straightforward. Access your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies specifically for Facebook. After doing so, restart your browser and log back into Facebook to see if the issue has been resolved. Next, it's crucial to ensure that your Facebook app is up to date, as outdated versions can sometimes lead to hiccups such as Marketplace refusing to load. Visit the App Store if you're an iOS user or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search for Facebook and tap Update if that option is available. If there's no update needed or if the issue persists, another effective trick is to uninstall and reinstall the app. This can work wonders by refreshing the app completely. Moreover, it's important to consider your account and region settings. Marketplace isn't accessible in all areas or for every account, so double check that your Facebook account is in good standing and doesn't have any violations. Also, ensure that your age is correctly set to 18 or older, as this is a requirement for using Marketplace. Finally, verify that Facebook is being used in a region where Marketplace is supported. Lastly, let's troubleshoot internet and device issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to determine if your connection might be the culprit. Simple as it sounds, this can sometimes fix the loading problem. If internet speed isn't the issue, go ahead and restart your phone or PC. Additionally, if you're using a VPN or have any ad blocker extensions, consider disabling them since they might interfere with Facebook's functionality. By following these steps, you'll likely find your way back to a functioning Facebook Marketplace. Remember, sometimes a small tweak here or there can solve the problem quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope these solutions help you get back to buying or selling with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.